showing you how to take your iPhone photos or your photos that aren't that great and turning them into better than MLS listing photos. I think this is a concept that a lot of people need. I think a lot of the FSBOs have really boring, bland photos and they don't think like realtors. And this is a FSBO University, so if you want to be a FSBO in their university, you got to learn what I'm trying to teach you. So welcome to FSBO University. Okay, so now we got the screen recording on. So what we're gonna do is, now you see that on my screen I have Google Gemini and then I have my prompts. Let me tell you all, the most important thing that you will ever get when using AI is a good stack of prompts. If you ever want to know exactly what you're doing, exactly what you're telling AI to do, you have to tell it what to do. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna give you a link, I'm not gonna charge you for it. If you go down in the description box below, I have attached all of the prompts. You have your master prompt, you have your light and sunlight prompts, you have your sky and exterior prompts, you have your straightening and structural prompts. You have, not structure, but like straightening so the photos look straight. Like if you got a shaky hand, or you could actually fix them and make them look better. You got your cleanup and declutter photos, you got your color and sharpness photos and prompts, you got your virtual staging prompts. You got your specific room type prompts, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, the living room. You got your don't get sued prompts. You don't want to change your entire house. You just want to clean it up and make it look more lively. And you got your advanced prompt. Turn this into a precise model for me. We got it all. See my prompts. I'm going to attach those in the description box below. I'm also going to put them in the comments. You use these prompts. Like, I'm not going to put it in a template and make you go click off YouTube. No, they're right here. Copy and paste them and put them in your notes app, please. We're going to do the main exterior of the house. Then we're going to do the kitchen, which is a pretty looking photo. And then we're going to do one of the basement photos, which is a little bit more like there's stuff on the wall. So let's take these photos and put them into Google Gemini. I'm going to put all the photos up on the screen right here. Oh, well, you won't be able to see my face, but I'm going to put them all up on the screen above my hands. And now that you see all three photos that we're going to be editing, now I want to show you that the first photo that we're editing is going to be the exterior photo. So let's go back over here to our prompts. And let's go over to our master prompt. Let's see. It says, oh my God. So it says, enhance this real estate photo to look like a professional MLS listing. Improve the lighting, correct white balance, increase sharpness, straighten vertical lines, and make the space feel bright, clean, and inviting while keeping it realistic. And then generate specific edit instructions or prompts I can apply in AI editing tools. This is your master prompt. So we said enhance the sky to a clear blue with soft clouds and enhance lighting that matches the home's exposure. Enhance this real estate photo to look like a professional MLS listing. Improve the lighting, correct the white balance, and increase sharpness. Straighten the vertical lines and make the space feel bright, clean, and inviting while keeping it realistic. Enhance this image while keeping all structural elements accurate. Do not alter layout or dimensions. So then you look at that first photo and then you scroll down and you see this photo. So boom, you see the difference? You see the difference? Now there's one more thing that I like to do that makes it feel more like an MLS listing, and it's this sunlight. Now when you add the sunlight one, I'm actually going to add to the prompt and make the sunlight hit the windows directionally. We're going to save that image that we just created. Go to downloads. For me, this is how I would like my MLS photos. You go ahead, download it. Boom, one photo out the way. So now you just keep doing that, and we're gonna go back to our files. Wait, we're actually not gonna do it this way. We're gonna go here because I already have them set up and picked out. And we're gonna add the second one. Now this one is the kitchen. So let's go up to our, I don't know what that was. Clean surfaces, I think they're clean. Add furniture, now we need to add furniture, kitchen, make this kitchen. There we go. Make this kitchen look bright, clean, and high end. I like that one. And then I'm gonna add hashtag fix this image. So we stop getting those text responses. So this will, again, this is gonna be a very quick tutorial. All you gotta do is really wait on Google Gemini, and that's the longest part of the process. And then we're gonna go hit it with hashtag fix this image. Oh, she changed it a little too much. She changed it a little too much. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna redo that. Okay, so it's done. You see how it gave us 3 clean images after we gave it a few prompts? That was easy. Take these prompts, copy and paste them, and fix this. Because this is an issue that all FSBOs can easily fix in their free time with no money. This is free. You can use Google Gemini for free. You can use ChatGPT for free. You can use these platforms for free to your advantage. Anybody with a cell phone and any ability or desire to sell their home can literally, without a doubt, use Google Gemini and iPhone to get MLS-ready photos in less than 30 minutes. And truthfully, if you're just going boom, 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 you can get it done in 5 minutes. Take these prompts and use them to your advantage. That's the gist of all I got to say today.